video, this is the children's video. It's just a simple movement, basic movements. Do some on the floor, standing up. It's great for children to use their imagination, but it's also great for you as parents, carers, or even adults just to dive in and enjoy. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to focus on popping your hands on your knees, sitting on the floor, back up straight, facing forward. We're going to breathe in, and then when you breathe out, you're going to go, and we're going to breathe in and breathe out. Perfect. Pop your hands on your bellies, and what we're going to do is going to try and expand your stomach like it's a balloon, making sure that your middle fingers are touching each other and they're just in front of your belly button. And we're going to breathe in, expand that belly, and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. On this next one, I want you to hold your breath once you've breathed in. So breathe in, hold for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and breathe out. And one more time, breathe in, hold, 1, 2, 3, and breathe out. Perfect. Place your hands to your heart, and we're just going to breathe in again. Close your eyes for this one. So we close our eyes and breathe in and breathe out and breathe in and breathe out. Slowly open those eyes. Hello. Pop your hands on your knees again, and we're going to slowly rotate the body. We're going to go to the side and to the front, to the other side and the back. And again, we're going to continue doing this. Perfect. And then take it to the other side, and round we go. Excellent. I'm going to roll those shoulders back, so we're going to roll them back. And then we're going to roll them forward. And then this time, we're going to breathe in by popping our shoulders up and try and touch those earlobes. So we breathe in, and then when you breathe out, just let everything go. And breathe in, and breathe out. Perfect. Going to wiggle everything out, and wiggle those hands, wiggle those feet, wiggle it all out. Perfect. Next, we're going to go into our position on the floor. I'm going to pop our hands into a simple cat pose. So we're going to go on all fours, and then we're going to look up and try and touch your stomach to the floor. You're going to go up like this and be a happy cat, and then we're going to be an angry cat, and we're going to bring everything in. So focus on your breathing. We breathe in into a happy cat, and then into an angry cat we breathe out. One more time, breathe in and then breathe out. You breathe in into that happy cat pose, and then breathe out. Perfect. We're going to reach down onto our knees, pop your hands either side, and just relax down and focus on that breathing. Again, breathe 5 times in your own time. So we breathe in and out. Just focusing on being a rock. Just sit straight still, no movement, just focus on that breathing. Perfect. Once you've done your 5 breaths, you're going to walk your hands all the way, try and touch the tip of your mat or just in front of you, and then just lie down for a sec. Perfect. Hold that, focus on that breathing. Next, just tuck your toes underneath, and we're going to stick our bottoms up into downward dog. So stick them up, that's it, and just hold it there. Focus on that breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly move your knees into yourself, so you just bend them. So we're going to do our right, and then our left, and then our right, and then our left. Perfect. And just reach out and hold that into downward dog. Try and put all your pressure into those hands and into your feet, and then walk yourself all the way up. Amazing. Come back to the centre, think about being as tall. Keep that in your head, because now we're going to be a tree. So you're going to pop your foot to your ankle, pop your hands to your heart, to the side, or up like the big branch. And you're just going to hold it there. Breathe in and breathe out. If you want a bit of a challenge, you can always bring it to your calf. Perfect. And breathe in and breathe out. Release everything. Slowly pop that foot down. We're going to do the other side now. You might feel a little bit wobbly on the other side. Again, to your heart, to the side, or up. And then we're going to hold it there. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Perfect. And then we're going to flop everything down to the floor. Think about being an elephant and slowly sweep the floor with your big trunk. Just focusing the head down, pull your weight to the floor. And be as big as you want with those arms. Big as you want. Then bring everything to the centre and rise up. We're going to lift all the way up as tall as you can. Try and touch the sky, try and touch the ceiling, the stars. And then we're going to relax all the way down. This time we're going to think about being the sunset, and we're going to rise up, or sunrise, sorry, rise up to the sky, and then we're going to set down and put all your weight to the floor. That's it. And then we're going to breathe in and sunrise, and then sunset, and again all the way up. This time go on your tippy toes and try and reach the stars, try and reach the sun and the ceiling, and then flop all the way down. Perfect. Ooh, lost my balance there. Then we're going to go back onto the floor. We're going to go in our feet in a butterfly position. We're just going to gently bounce our knees up and down. So we're going to bounce them. Perfect. And just gently do that. You'll feel a nice stretch just into the inner part of your thigh. There we go. Focus on that breathing. Just breathe in and out. And cross your legs again. Just going to stretch now. So we're going to pop our left hand onto our right knee and just twist around. Only gently though, not too much. And then change again. Pop your right hand onto your left knee. Again, gentle stretch, not too much. Perfect. Go back onto our knees. We're going to go into child's pose, which is what we did before. We're going to walk with our hands up, and we're just going to lie down here for a sec. And then we're going to bring our hands in like a rock. And you're just going to hold it there. Focus on that breathing. Perfect. And then just lie down to the back. And just think about melting into the floor. Just melt, relax. Focus on what you're going to do for the day. Who you're going to spend the day with. What fun activities are you going to do? Are you going to do some baking? Are you going to go for a walk with your family? And just focus on that breath in and out. Close your eyes. Relax. Think everything just sinking into the floor. Breathe in and breathe out. And wiggle your hands, wiggle your toes. Slowly move everything. And then in your own time you can then rise up. Come back into the centre. Compose yourself. And thank you. Thank you for joining me on today's session. I hope you've really enjoyed it. Next time I'll hopefully see you then.